Welcome back to my channel, and this is Niketan. Today I will tell you very important things about one topic which is of grammar. Let's start.
Let's see here. So we are going to learn these points. First, we will talk about can. We will talk about could, and we will also see their different uses. Let's talk about can. As we all know, we use can for possibilities, and we also use can for ability. So whenever we talk about your ability, the things which you can do, we use can. So for an example, let's say there is an example which is all about I can speak four languages: Hindi, English, Telugu, Marathi. It means to say it is my capability. And how did I become to speak to these languages? By the help of practice or by the help of putting efforts. I kept my efforts, then I learned this language. Same here. Whenever we talk about possibilities, we use can. For example, sometimes we say, let's say people are saying, hey, can you do this well? And we say, yes, I can try, or I can also do this well. So there is possibilities. We are saying, or we are showing possibility, and that's why we are using can. You see here, example is written here, smoking can cause cancer. You must have seen this example on cigarette or on some smoking products that smoking can cause cancers. There is possibility, but still people are taking. I would not say there is surety or not, but there is possibility that smoking causes cancer, but still people are taking. And very general things, we also use can for permission, but this is in informal condition. For an example, hey, let's say there is a boy, his name is Ramu, and Ramu is my friend. We are in same class yesterday. Then Ramu asked me, hey Niketan, can I use your pen? I said, okay, please take my pen. Or whenever we are on the same age person, junior person, then we are always using can for permission. We also use can for request, but that also in the informal case. For example, can you hand me your pen or can you share with me your pen? So these are the examples of can. Now we will be moving for uses of could. I hope we are able to understand here everybody till here.
Yes,
Now let's see. We use could for ability, say, but there as we were using can, we always use can in the present case. And could is the past form of can. So we use this could in the past case. We also use in can, but we use in can. We use in present could when we make things more present, or you can say more polite. So when we talk about can for ability, I could play a guitar when I was a child. Possibility also we use for a past. A lot of crime could be prevented. We also use could for polite. Now here try to understand. Whenever we are using could, we are using for past, but we are using could in present also. Whenever we take any permission, any request, then it makes our things more polite. For example, let's say, could I go to home now? Or let's say, could I take your pen? And could you please come with me? And the request says, could you please give me your bike key? Adding to it, if you see, whenever we want to help somebody, whenever you are offering your help somebody, then also people we use can. For example, can I help you? Let's say, hey Priyanka, can I teach you how to ride the bike? Or let's say, hey Kirti, can I tell you how to make round chapati? Or whenever we give suggestion, then also we use can. Or if you want to sound polite, then you can move for could. For example, I could help you with English, or I can help you to learn English, people. So this is all about can and can't.